Happy birthday, go kids.
To assemble. Cement mixer. Ready. Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Pull the lever down to lower it. Pull the lever down to clear the way. Keep up the good work. Let's put concrete for the foundation. We need to wash. Cement mixer. We did it! We have to assemble. Drop side truck. Ready. Filling. Drop side truck. Hooray! Let's build a frame. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Don't stop. Hooray! We need to assemble. Crane truck. Keep it up. Crane truck. Ready. The car has to overcome the obstacles. Help it. Tap on the objects one by one to remove them from the road. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. We did it! Let's install the roof. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. We need to wash. Crane truck. Hooray! assemble. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. Filling. Drop side truck. Done! Let's finish the walls. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep up the good work. We did it! We have to assemble. Bucket lift. Ready. Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Tap on a suitable tool. Tap on the objects one by one to remove them from the road. Hooray! We need to protect the house from foul weather. Let's wash. Bucket lift. We need to assemble. Lift crane. That's all. Filling. Lift crane. You're doing really great. Let's finish the porch. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. That's all. We did it! We need to assemble. Garbage truck. Keep it up. Help the car make its way. Move the part to the right place. Tap on a suitable tool. You're doing really great. Let's remove the construction waste. Let's wash. Garbage truck. Hooray! We have to assemble. Drop side truck. Don't stop. Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Hooray! Let's plant the trees in the yard. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Ready. You're doing really great. We have to assemble. Drop side truck. We did it! Help the car make its way. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. Pull the lever down to clear the way. Hooray! And now we can finish construction. Hooray! You've built a beautiful house. We did it!